Hello and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can see hidden channels on Discord. This is very simple. The first thing you have to do is install Vencord. This is a Discord modification that is easy to install. I have another video in my channel of how to install Vencord. So once you install this application, you can go to Discord here and press here in options. Then you have to go to Vencord window and press plugins, and here you have to find hidden channels. So it will appear show hidden channels, will apply this, and now you have to restart Discord pressing this button. Okay, so once you have restarted Discord, you can see that I'm in a private channel here in a Discord. I can see the staff channel here, and it says that this is a hidden voice channel, so I can't show him, but you can see every one of these hidden channels. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.